friends.
Hi friends.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're going to draw something sweet and cold.
Ooh. How about we draw a ice cream cone that has ice cream that have 3 layers?
Like 3 different scoops on top?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like it. That sounds delicious. Okay, let's start by drawing the first scoop, which is going to be on the very top, okay? And then we'll work our way down. So for the very top scoop, we'll start somewhere in this top center of the page right here. And first what we'll do is we'll make an upside down U shape, kind of a curve like this, okay? So we'll go like this and like that. So a really big scoop. Okay, and then on the bottom here, we're gonna make a part that sticks out like this and a part that sticks out like that a little bit. And then we're gonna make wavy, curvy lines like that and go from one side to the other. Okay, so that will be our very first scoop. Okay, let's keep going down. So for the next scoop, let's continue by starting somewhere over here and making that same curve that goes like that, and another one that goes like that. And another one on the right side. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing. We'll make an area part that sticks out to the left and a part that sticks out to the right. And then we'll make those wavy, curvy lines. And this is actually kind of like the jellyfish drawing, you know? If you just add legs on the bottom, that's pretty much a jellyfish. We'll keep going to our next scoop, okay? Because we have 3, right? Let's start somewhere around here and make this kind of a curvy shape like that. And then on the right, we'll do the same thing.
Right, same thing.
And then we'll do the same thing. We'll have a little bit sticking out there and a little bit sticking out here. And then we'll do those curvy, wavy lines going all the way across. Okay, and so those are our scoops, and then let's
little cone.
yours is really big.
I'm gonna do a little cone.
And then let's draw a cone that goes down like this, so it's basically a V shape, right? So we'll go down from here, we'll go down here towards the center.
Coo. I'm gonna go to the bottom.
Okay, and we'll do the same thing from the right, going down towards this center point, and then connect the 2 parts together.
Connect.
Okay, and then for the cone, how about we make some lines, some diagonal lines going this way and that way. Yeah, because usually they have these lines. They're like waffle cones. They have these waffle shapes. So we'll go like this. We'll make these diagonal lines
like
from
cool,
the top,
like boom, 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 boom.
Going down.
They look cool like when you didn't add the other ones, but when you add the other ones, they look different.
Just keep going down, down, down on one side, and then we'll do the same thing going the other direction. So the other direction we'll start from about here, and we'll keep going down like that.
Squares, rectangle.
Yeah, so you're making you're making kind of these like square shapes in the middle, basically, when you do that.
So deepy. See?
Ta-da! Okay. How about now we'll add some more details to the actual scoops, okay? So starting from the top, what if we add some syrup?
Ooh, I love syrup.
So for the syrup, what we'll do is we'll make these like up and down curvy shapes. So we'll start on one side and we'll go down with a curve and we'll curve it up. And remember, these curves they're rounded curves, and just keep going. They're different shapes. Some are longer than others. Yep. And remember to curve on the top. Maybe make sure to also curve on the top and on the bottom. There you go. And then how about we add some sprinkles too?
Ooh, so tiny.
Sprinkles?
Yeah.
For the sprinkles, we'll just add different types of little dash marks that are going different directions. Like that. Or maybe dots. You can do that too.
I'm doing dots and lines.
And ooh, how about a cherry on top?
Ooh.
Cherry on top? For the cherry, we're gonna make kind of like a round curvy shape. So we'll start on one side, we'll go down, and then we'll come back up around like that.
Like kind of like an apple shape?
Yeah, like an apple shape, or just kind of any kind of
Or like a little
fruit
bit
or vegetable.
like a shark.
And then a line
heart.
that sticks out like that.
A little bit like a heart.
How about just a teeny tiny little curve on the inside to make it look like a shiny cherry? Okay, and then how about we add a face?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And all of them?
Let's add a face. Yeah, why not all of them? How about we'll add a happy face on. We'll add some eyes. So we'll add a curve. Hold on. We'll add 2 curves for the eyes. And you can add also any kind of face that you want. I'm just going to do some eyelashes for the eyes. And for this one, I'm going to do a happy smiley face. And you can do a smiley face. You can do a, frowny face. You can do whatever face you want. I think for this one, I'm going to do something a little different, but I'll do the same kind of eyes.
Yeah,
do the eyes.
Gonna be the same eyes.
Same eyes with eyelashes. They'll go out like that. For this one, I'm going to do like that because it's like, whew, there's something on top of me and it's heavy. So just make a circle for the mouth. You can do something different if you want, Lila, and you guys can do something different too. Smiley face also. And how about on this one, we'll add a little drop, like the syrup is kind of dripping, or maybe just some of this ice cream is dripping onto this one.
Or maybe
so for that,
some of this is dripping.
Watch, we'll make a curvy shape going like that for the drip.
Drip, drip,
so, because it's also like, whew, I'm sweaty, and a little dash line inside there.
Dash.
Okay, and how about another face right here? This one's gonna be, I'm gonna do the same thing for the eyes. So just these curves with eyelashes. Okay, but for this one, I think I'm gonna do a sad face. So an upside down curve. Because it's like, whew, I am not happy I'm on the bottom and I have to hold these big scoops up on top. Oh, they're all happy. And then for this one, I'm also gonna do like a drop that's maybe on this side. So for the drop, we're gonna draw it like this.
Drops are really hard to draw.
Yeah, remember it's just pointy on the top and more rounded on the bottom. And then a little dash curve. Whew. And then how about some hands for this guy? So what about we'll make a line go like that.
Woohoo.
And how about it going this direction? It's trying to hold its head up. Whew, so much. And then for the hand, I'm just gonna do a heart shape for the hand.
Or it's trying to itch itself.
Like that.
It looks more like it's itching itself. Like.
How about another one that goes out like this? Like that. So another line that sticks out the end. And then a line that goes up like this.
A line that goes up like.
And also a heart shape for the other hand. And remember, for the hands, you could do whatever shapes you guys want. I just like heart shapes.
Me too.
There's our ice cream. You wanted 3 scoops? You got it. So we're gonna start coloring ours in. You guys can do the same and then come back and see how we finished. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we are with our colored in ice cream cones and ice creams. Lila, let's see, what flavors do you have here?
Strawberry, raspberry, blueberry.
Ooh, do you like those flavors for ice cream?
I already tried only this one, but it was not too good, but I just wanted to do those colors.
Okay, well mine is gonna be also strawberry on the top with some chocolate syrup.
Yeah, that's what I decided, and a cherry.
Yummy, and a cherry.
cherry.
And then I think this one's gonna be mint ice cream. And this one's gonna be like a vanilla ice cream. So with this
Why
cone.
is that one gonna be
mint? Because it's got like a minty color. You know,
Why do you
like a
want
mint green.
mint in your ice cream?
My ice cream? I don't know, I just thought it would be good. Thought it would be yummy.
Vanilla
So-
does not look that color. It looks white.
Yeah. So we want to know, like, what kind of flavors did you guys do for your ice creams, and how did your ice creams turn out? Are they all happy like Lila's, or are some of them not happy because they're on the bottom level? So we really hope that you enjoyed this, and we would love to see how your drawing turned out. So please take a photo, share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples like this and other yummy food examples, go check out our other videos. And also comment below to let us know what other drawings you want us to do. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share this with a friend. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.